Hello everyone, this is Rahul Pawar and welcome to my YouTube channel Express Your Data. In today's video, we are going to discuss about one of the trending L2 interview scenario that is being asked with an example. Like they're asking to showcase the example and difference between context and cascading filter. Okay, so let us get started without wasting much time. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because regularly I will be posting videos related to your interviews and scenarios. So I'm connected to Sample Superstore here, okay, as a standard example. And let us take a simple subcategory here, okay, and I'm taking sales as my measure. And these are my actual sales for subcategory. Now what I'm doing is I'm trying to find out top three subcategory items. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking my subcategory, dropping onto filter shell, and I'm going to top and here by selecting by field. And because I need only top three, I'm choosing top three here. Apply. Okay. Now I got this top three subcategory items. Okay. So which is working with respect to this filter. Now, when I select my category and drop it here, so we are actually getting this from different category items if you see here. Okay. Now, suppose there is this filter that we are showing it to user and user will have an option to select only one item at a time. Now, when he selects furniture category, it is actually showing one item only. But what is our expectation here? I want to see top three category items for each of the category that I'm selecting. Okay, understanding the concept here, I want to get or I have to get three items for each of my category that I'm selecting. But because these two filters are working independently, it is showing me only one. So now what is happening here? First, my subcategory items is getting filtered and it is bringing in those three items. Okay, so after that, what are we doing? We are applying this category filter. So because in technology, we have got only one item, it is displaying that, right? So which is like incorrect here and it is not working according to our expectation. Now what we should tell Tableau, array boss, so first filter this technology items and in that you show me top three items for my subcategory. That is the expectation. Now to fix this, what I can do, I will just click on this subcategory items and I will click on add to context. So now what is happening for each of my category item that I'm choosing, it is displaying top three subcategory items. This is called as a context filter, which means filter on a filter. So first this filter will be applied. Now what are we doing with respect to a context when I say we are making these two filters work together? Earlier, it was like independently they are working. Now we are making them dependent. We are asking them by you two work together to give me a proper solution. It is like that. So it is called as context filter. So likewise, what I'm doing now is I'm just removing it from filter here or maybe from context. Okay. And I'll also take my subcategory here. So let us also remove the filter here. I'm editing this and I don't want any filter. So I'm selecting none, apply. Okay. Right. So now what I'm doing is I am also taking my subcategory here. So I'm selecting all for now and subcategory also on filter. So show filter and okay. So I'm just moving it here. Now observe here when I select, observe my filter shelf here on the right side because this can be seen by the user. I'm selecting furniture. Now what is happening here? It is showing me only sub uh, subcategories that are related to my furniture category. Likewise, when I select office supplies, it is showing me only subcategory items related to that office supplies. So actually by default, it will be all values in database. So this is how it works. Because this is already predefined by Tableau, it is identifying. But in real time, because it is new, and when it does not understand relationship, you will get all the values. Now, what is happening when you select office supplies? In the view, if you observe, you are getting only those subcategory items only. So if I select furniture, I got only those 4 subcategory items that are in furniture category. But if you observe this drop down, it is not getting updated according to my selection. Now user will get confused. Are Rahul bhai, here I can see tables, but I don't see any data for tables like that. Or paper is there. So paper is not, being visible here, but I can see in the drop down. Now he'll come back to you and say, what is happening? Why don't I see? But correctly, if I see the data, we are not showing the actual information. So I just need to click on this and click on show only relevant values. Now what is happening with this? Your drop down is also getting updated along with the data. Now when I select office supplies, I'm getting only office related data here and only office related subcategory items. Now both my view and my filter is in sync. This is called as your cascading filter. Like say when I select, if I take generic example, if I select a state like Maharashtra, so it should only show or display cities that are available in that Maharashtra state. Or if I select a country as India, it should only display states that are available in that country. Okay. So this can happen with the respect of cascading filter. So for that, we need to click on this and click on only relevant values. So always remember, you need to click on this only relevant values when you have multiple filters in place. This is one of the standard practices that we do in real time. Okay, so that's it from my side in this video. I hope this video was useful. If it does, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.